Here's how to set up your Google credentials so you can use any Google app in n8n in under 4 minutes. We're going to start with the Google Drive node. Just double click on it and go to credentials and create your new credential. What you want to do here is you need your client ID and client secret. You can find this by opening the docs and then simply creating a Google Cloud account. Once you've connected your account, all you have to do here is go to console. And what we want to do is create a new project. I'm already using a Twitter agent one since I'm creating an AI agent for that. So I'll just start a demo one. Create. Wait for that to create over here. Select your project that you've created. Once you're on your newly created project, click on the sidebar here and go to APIs and Services and go to OAuth Consent Screen. Once you're here, just click Get Started and just create an app. So for this one, I'm going to choose Demo again and just use my own email. So next, what you want to do is create your OAuth client, and you want to go here, click Web Application since we're using n8n Cloud, and you just rename it anything you want. I'm just going to use Demo again. Now you need to authorize the redirect URL, and this can be found back on n8n right over here. This is your OAuth redirect URL. Just copy this and paste it over here. Once you hit create, you'll get your own client ID, and this is one of the IDs that you'll need in order to connect Google to n8n. So go back to n8n and just paste that in your client ID right over here. Next, what you'll need is your client secret. All you have to do is click on what you just created over here, and then you'll see your client ID again, and then you'll see your client secret. Copy this one and paste it right over here. And now you can sign in with Google using the account that you've linked the Google Cloud to, and it should work. Just give it all these permissions, and your connection should be successful. So if you go back to your Google Drive node, you'll see that you actually can't select any files yet, and that's because there's one last step that you need to do. Back on Google Cloud, what you want to do is just search up Google Drive right here, click on Google Drive API, and just hit enable. And there you go. Once it's enabled, go back to n8n, and now it should load all my files. As you can see here, I have access to all of my Google Drive files just by enabling the API. So that's how we can connect our Google credentials to our Google Drive. It should work. So say I just click on this one and there we go. No more red exclamation mark. So to connect the rest of your apps such as Google Sheets, Google Slides, Gmail, and Google Docs, all you have to do is double click on it, create a new credential here, and sign in with the Google account that you used for Google Cloud. So I'll do it right here. Continue. And there you go. So after connecting my credential, if I go to Documents, I can see all of my Google Sheets over here. But if you're unable to see any of these, all you need to do is go back into the Google Cloud and just search up Google Sheets API, and go ahead and enable that. And you can just repeat that process for the rest of the apps, and you'll be good to go. If you found that helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and be on the lookout for more n8n tutorials because I'm just getting started on creating AI agents, and that's something that you don't want to miss.